Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to add a lens flare transition in Premiere Pro. Now we already have two clips on our timeline, and once you have done that, you can right click on the project window right here and click on new item and click on adjustment layer. Click on OK and drag the adjustment layer above the two clips that you have. And once you have done that, we are going to move the timeline slider in between our two clips. After that, we are going to hold shift on our keyboard and hit the left arrow key once to move 5 frames to the left. And then we are going to adjust the adjustment layer so that it will cut right there. Again, we are going to move the timeline slider at the center and hold the shift key and hit the right arrow key once so we can move 5 frames to the right. And now we are going to cut the adjustment layer again so that it ends there. Once you have done that, let's search for lens flare under the effects and drag it to the adjustment layer. After that, make sure that your timeline slider is in between the two clips. Select the adjustment layer and let's go to effect controls. Scroll down a bit and we are here at the lens flare section for the effects. Now we are going to click the stopwatch icon beside the flare brightness, and that will create a keyframe. We are going to change the value to 200, and now we are going to move the slider at the beginning of the adjustment layer, and we are going to set the flare brightness to 0. After that, we are going to move to the end of the adjustment layer, and we are going to set the flare brightness to 0 again. And next is we are going to change the lens type to 105mm prime. And once we preview that, it should look like this. And that is how you can basically add a lens flare transition in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.